Hello and welcome to this video about the solid-state batteries used by Toyota. Let's first explain solid-state batteries and their manufacturing process before talking about Toyota's involvement in this technology. In contrast to the liquid or polymer electrolytes present in conventional lithium-ion batteries, solid-state batteries use solid electrodes and a solid electrolyte. Numerous materials, including polymers and ceramics, can be used to create these solids. Solid electrodes and electrolyte are stacked together and enclosed in a protective container to create a solid-state battery. The resulting battery is light and thin, making it ideal for use in electric cars and portable electronic devices. Let's now discuss the benefits and drawbacks of solid-state batteries against conventional lithium-ion batteries. The safety of solid-state batteries is one of their main benefits. They are less prone to overheating and have a significantly lower chance of starting a fire because they don't use combustible substances. Furthermore, solid-state batteries can store more energy in a smaller volume due to their higher energy density. They are therefore perfect for usage in compact electric vehicles and portable electronic devices. The possibility of simple post-use reprocessing for solid-state batteries is another thing to think about. This lessens their negative effects on the environment while simultaneously increasing their long-term cost-effectiveness. Let's now talk about Toyota's relationship with solid-state batteries. This technology has been studied and developed by the company for a while, and great progress has been made. Toyota introduced a solid-state battery prototype in 2017, and during the 2019 Tokyo Motor Show, the firm unveiled a concept automobile powered by solid-state batteries. Toyota, one of the biggest automakers in the world, sold more than 10 million vehicles in 2019 alone and does business in over 190 nations. Solid-state batteries have not yet been deployed by the company in any of its production cars, but they are actively trying to do so in the near future. Toyota intends to include solid-state batteries into its vehicles in the upcoming years. Looking to the future. By the early 2020s, the company hopes to release a solid-state battery-powered vehicle, and it is constantly advancing and perfecting the technology. To sum up, solid-state batteries are promising technology that, while they do have some drawbacks, provide a number of benefits over conventional lithium-ion batteries. Toyota is a pioneer in the development of solid-state batteries and has ambitious plans for incorporating this technology into its cars. We appreciate your interest in this video about Toyota's solid-state batteries.